Think about it. Spocket offers an incredible opportunity to source high-quality products from around the world and seamlessly integrate them into your online store. But with that global reach comes a variety of costs. You've got the monthly Spocket subscription, which can vary depending on your chosen plan. Then there are the product costs themselves, which are clearly laid out. But often overlooked are the shipping costs, which can fluctuate based on the supplier's location, the customer's location, and the product's weight and dimensions. And let's not forget about potential transaction fees from your payment processor, return shipping costs, or even advertising spend that's indirectly tied to your Spocket products. Without a robust system for tracking these expenses, it's incredibly easy for your perceived profits to be significantly different from your actual profits. You might think you made $50 on a sale, but after all the Spocket-related costs are factored in, you might only be left with $20 or even less. And that's a dangerous place to be for any business owner. So how do we get a handle on all of this? The good news is it's not as complicated as it might sound. We're going to break it down into actionable steps, exploring various tools and strategies that you can implement immediately to gain crystal clear visibility into your Spocket expenditures. Let's start with the most basic yet often overlooked method: good old-fashioned spreadsheets. Whether you prefer Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, a well-structured spreadsheet can be your best friend when it comes to expense tracking. Create columns for the date of the expense, a clear description, e.g., Spocket Basic Subscription, Product Purchase SKU 123, Shipping Order Number 456, the category of the expense, e.g., Subscription, Cost of Goods Sold, Shipping, the amount, and any relevant notes. The beauty of a spreadsheet is its flexibility. You can customize it to your heart's content, add formulas to automatically calculate totals, and even create simple charts to visualize your spending patterns. This manual approach gives you a deep understanding of each transaction and forces you to be mindful of every dollar spent. However, as your business scales, manually entering every single transaction might become a bit cumbersome. That's where accounting software comes into play. Solutions like QuickBooks, Xero, or even simpler tools like Wave Accounting, which offers a free tier, are designed specifically for this purpose. These platforms allow you to connect your bank accounts and payment processors, automatically importing your transactions. You can then categorize these transactions, create rules for recurring expenses, and generate detailed reports on your income and expenses. The key here is to accurately categorize your Spocket-related transactions. For instance, your Spocket subscription should be categorized as an operating expense, while product purchases and shipping costs should be tied to your cost of goods sold for accurate profit margin calculations. Beyond general accounting software, let's consider specific strategies for tackling those trickier Spocket expenses. For product costs, Spocket clearly displays the product price and estimated shipping on each product listing. When you import a product to your store, make sure you're also noting down these costs. Many e-commerce platforms like Shopify allow you to input the cost of goods sold for each product. By consistently doing this, you'll have a built-in mechanism for tracking your product expenses right within your store's analytics. Shipping costs are arguably the most variable and often the most underestimated expense. Spocket's estimated shipping fees are a great starting point, but the actual shipping cost can sometimes differ slightly due to various factors. This is where it becomes crucial to reconcile your actual shipping charges with your estimates. When an order is fulfilled through Spocket, the final shipping cost will be charged to your linked payment method. Regularly review your transaction history on your payment processor, e.g., PayPal, Stripe, and cross-reference it with your Spocket order details. You might even consider creating a separate column in your spreadsheet specifically for actual shipping cost versus estimated shipping cost to track any discrepancies. Another smart move is to leverage Spocket's reporting features. While Spocket might not offer a full-blown accounting suite, it does provide some valuable data. Pay attention to your order history and any summaries they offer regarding product costs and shipping fees. While this data might not be exportable in an accounting-friendly format, it can serve as a valuable reference point for validating the numbers in your own tracking system. Beyond direct Spocket charges, don't forget to factor in other related expenses. Your e-commerce platform subscription, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. Any apps you use to enhance your store, payment processor fees, which are usually a percentage of each transaction, and even your internet and electricity bills can all be considered indirect costs of running your Spocket-powered business. While these aren't directly charged by Spocket, they are essential for your business to operate and should be accounted for when determining your overall profitability. The goal here is not just to track expenses, but to understand them. By diligently logging and categorizing every Spocket-related cost, you'll begin to see patterns. Are your shipping costs consistently higher for certain suppliers or destinations? Is your Spocket subscription paying for itself through increased sales? Or do you need to optimize your plan? Are there products with surprisingly high hidden costs that are eating into your margins? This detailed understanding empowers you to make informed decisions. You might decide to focus on suppliers with more favorable shipping rates, adjust your product pricing to better reflect your true costs, or even reconsider certain product categories if they consistently yield low profits after all expenses are factored in. Regularly reviewing your expense data is just as important as tracking it. Set aside dedicated time each week or month to go through your records, reconcile your accounts, and analyze your spending. This proactive approach will help you catch any errors early, identify potential problems before they escalate, and continuously optimize your financial performance. The more consistent you are with your tracking, the more accurate your financial picture will be, and the better equipped you'll be to make strategic decisions that drive growth and profitability for your Spocket dropshipping business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.